What's up, everybody? I thought I'd hop on. Had a cool little consult with one of my online clients. They're brand new, so they're coming from a different kind of background than what I normally get, which is really cool. So I'm not going to name names or do anything like that. I already said I would just like kind of ramble on about, kind of a situation and open it up in a topic to you guys. So it's about training and can you overtrain? You can and you can't. It's a massive topic out right now. Can you overtrain? You can overtrain if you undereat. Makes sense, right? Because the food isn't fueling the workout and the food isn't recovering the workout. So if you want to play hard, you got to rest hard, you got to recover harder, right? And that'll keep the training good. But there's got to be periodization and microcycles and mesocycles to your training. So a mistake I've made in the past was going balls to the wall every workout. It's squat day. Let's push whatever number you're doing that day for a max. I made all the errors to myself to kind of educate myself, which sucks, which probably aged me, but whatever. I now know. So by periodizing your training, you're going to have different phases. So you might know a 1RM, you might not, but it's going to keep you kind of at a perceived exertion for that phase. So you can progressively improve over a certain period. So what's happening with a lot of people, and this is coming from the old craze of, it was the past, 8 years, 10 years of going all out, doing these crazy workouts, metabolic smash fest. People are not recovering. Everyone's under eating or always on some sort of diet or some wacky thing. So what is happening? So here's an example. Let's say you're training 6 days a week. You're a gym rat and you're going in, you're lifting, and you're doing a metabolic conditioning workout that day. Plus you might do something active later that day. And this repeats throughout your week. There is no 75%, 60%. There is no 80%. It's always go, go, go. And that's a sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight. You're actually nervous going into your workout, right? And then the workout, so that's stress. Okay? Here's the word, stress. And how are you managing it? Okay? So working out is a stressor. Got me? Shitty sleep. Stressor, because you're not recovering in your sleep. Bad food, stress, because your digestion has to process the bad food. And it's got to work extra hard if it's not going to work for you. So you can get indigestion. We all know about digestion. It's stress. It's more stress. Do you understand that? Now, if you're not getting your hydration, and you're slamming coffee all the time, now your adrenals are stressed. This is all the sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight. You're getting into mini fights all day long. Where's the recovery? Where's the parasympathetic? Okay? Parasympathetic is the recovery. It's the activity like going for a walk, or LISS, low intensity steady state, even some MISS, moderate intensity steady state, or doing a workout. And it could be multiple exercises, different modalities, okay? And you're just keeping your heart rate in a specific zone, but you're still doing lunges, some kettlebell swings. You might do a dumbbell thruster, stuff like that, but you have control, right? And then you can have different types of workouts that are regenerative workouts, okay? Doing some yoga, just chilling out, parasympathetic. So if all you do are sympathetic workouts, fight or flight, go to the max, right? You and your buddies all the time going all out. You go to some gym that cheers you on nonstop to go all out, but they don't know you're at home suffering because your nutrition's not on point, stress, life stress, It's everywhere. It's freaking everywhere. Could have a shitty job. You could be around toxic people all the time. You got just financial stress. It's stress. How do you manage your stress? Okay? If you're going to play hard, that's stress. You got to recover harder. You got to be the boss of recovery. Someone you guys should check out is Vince at Dynamic Nutrition. The guy nails it all the time. He's all about recovery, getting the hormones back online. It's not about smash, trash. He's been there, like me. Smash, trash. Didn't work. Got to recover. Something I'm taking into effect right now is my recovery. So last night, I didn't have a good sleep. I had a lot of thoughts in my head. I'm thinking about clients. I'm thinking about my training the next day. Today is supposed to be my leg day. It's one of my hardest days. I don't think I'm going to get a good workout in today because of my sleep. So I'm going to make my nutrition on point. I'm going to get my hydration on point. I'll make a decision when the workout comes, and that's going to be in about 4 hours. Should I do the workout today? Right? Or do I do an active recovery day? Keep my nutrition on point, get hydrated, get recovery, get my stress levels down, and hit legs tomorrow. Oh my God, he went off the plan. It's not going off the plan if you're being this awesome executioner of your regeneration. Okay? You guys, it's not easy, but you got to learn how to manage your stress. And I just gave you an example from me with the sleep. I did not sleep well. So for me to get under the bar today and hit some reps with some load, and my load today is 85%, it's going to feel rough. It's going to feel like I'm hitting 100%. I'm going to have to do back offsets. It's not going to be a good workout. And then that is going to hinder my recovery for the next 3 days. So now I've added more stress to the system. So it's not just push through. Okay? A lot of people are just like, yeah, fucking man up. Sorry for swearing. Man up, right? Go do it. Let's go do it. I've manned up so many times, it didn't do anything for me. A few times, yeah, sure, I manned up. I did it, but I'm done for a week. Like, I don't want to be out for a week. I don't want that. I want to see recovery. I want to see progress. So if you got to take a day, get your food on point. Get your life stressors in. Do what you got to do to regenerate. Take a freaking nap if you can. Sneak it in somewhere, right? Quality food, high nutrients, recover, get your supplement online. If you're not supplementing and you're training hard, okay? I know so many people I sign on with me, they're not taking a multi, they're not taking vitamin D, they're not taking no vitamins, they're not doing nothing. But they're training 6 days a week. These guys can't sleep. They can't take a quality dump to save their life. They got gas nonstop. They have stress everywhere. If you can't sleep, there's something wrong that the day before. So for me last night, I did too much, got too much going on in my brain, couldn't shut my brain off. So when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh no, I know this feeling. Okay? Got to look what you did in the past. Learn from it. So I just got to know I got to taper down some of the stuff I do in the day. Because I wanted to squat today. It's leg day. What guy says that out there? Get excited for leg day. I do. I used to not, but now I do. So anyways, back on track. Get out of the sympathetic nervous system workouts. Look at your days. Do a week. Is it all sympathetic? Okay? Take some of those out. Here's the fix. So if your cardio is, hey, let's do a 20-minute AMRAP with 300-pound deadlifts, box jumps, and then we're going to do dumbbell power cleans, and we're going to do an AMRAP for 20 minutes. Oh, by the way, tomorrow you're doing overhead squats. What the is that? You're not going to recover from that unless you're on some serious protocol for recovery. Do you understand that? So the cardio session, if you're doing that, in between should be regenerative. Okay? You don't always have to go. Get the chill on. You can hit the aerodyne at a certain percent. Get down on the ground, roll. Get on the rower. Get on the ground, do some movement. Okay? Finish off maybe with some different types of functional moving, different types of carries, just to stimulate you, just to get some blood flow. And then one day, just make it straight up list. Go for a freaking walk outside, right? If you've never done yoga, hit some yoga up. Try not do the yoga that is not going to hit you hard, because if you don't have flexibility and you go do some hatha or some ashtanga, you're going to get smoked. You're going to be really sore the next day. So just do, if you don't, just research some sun salutations. Do about 4 sets of sun salutations A, 4 sets of B, and just do that. Get good at that. And just be, right? And then that night, go for a walk. 10 minutes, 15, 20, 30. Don't make it hard. The next day you should wake up vitalized, recovered. That's if your hydration, food, and everything's on point. Okay? Those are some tips for some people. Again, if you don't have your nutrition, your supplements, your lifestyle. Remember I told you the lifestyle pyramid? Here's the pyramid. Lifestyle's the bottom. Okay? Supplements are way up here. Here's your workouts. They're not that important. It's this and nutrition. Okay? How are you recovering? Where's your sleep? Where's your lifestyle? Get that on point, and I swear you're going to start to see results. Get the stress down, because stress makes us hold water, makes us hold fat, makes our bodies freak out. And when our bodies freak out, they swell up. Okay? Peace. That's it for now. Get your parasympathetic on and get your lifestyle in order. Lifestyle hustler. Out.